Hi everyone, welcome back to NutriMom&Baby. Today we're making a new twist on guacamole that's not only creamy and delicious, but also packed with nutrients. Stay with me until the end, because I'll show you a fun way to serve it that your family will love. And I promise you want to try this version right away. First, let's finely chop a bunch of fresh parsley or cilantro. Parsley is full of vitamin C and antioxidants, while cilantro is great for digestion and helps detox the body. Now, dice a quarter of a bell pepper. Bell peppers are loaded with vitamin C and fiber, which help boost immunity and keep your skin glowing. Next, chop half an onion. Onions contain compounds that support heart health and have natural anti-inflammatory properties. Let's dice half a tomato. Tomatoes are rich in lycopene, which is amazing for your heart and skin health. Now the star of the show. Mash one ripe avocado with a fork. Avocados are full of healthy fats, potassium, and fiber. They keep you full and are fantastic for your heart and brain. Add in all the chopped veggies. Squeeze in the juice of one lemon. Then season with half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of black pepper. Mix everything really well until creamy and colorful. Spread some of this guacamole on a slice of toast. Using a knife, shape it into a little flower. Then decorate with mozzarella cheese, bell pepper pieces, and some chia seeds or purslane seeds for an extra nutrient boost. Heat a little butter in a non-stick pan. Place the toast inside, cover it, and let the cheese melt beautifully. And there you have it, our healthy, colorful guacamole toast. It's full of healthy fats, protein, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants. Perfect for a quick snack or even a light meal. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our healthy and exciting recipes. And here's some exciting news. Starting next week, we'll be launching a brand new kids meal playlist. We're a professional team of midwives and nurses, and we can't wait to share nutritious and fun recipes for your little ones. So make sure to stay tuned and join our NutriMomBaby family. See you in the next video. Bye!